Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a vampire quiz and its result page using the Quiz and Survey Master plugin. In order to create our vampire quiz, I have created a WordPress website using InstaWP. It's one of the finest platforms to create disposable WordPress websites to test your ideas and tools for free. Here, you can create quick disposable WordPress websites in no time. So let's dive into this. I have already installed the QSM plugin on my website. To see how to install QSM plugin on your website, click on the information card in the top right corner of this video. Let's start by creating the quiz. Number 1 is to hover over QSM, then click on Quizzes or Surveys. Next is once you click on Add New, the first thing we see is to select a theme for the quiz. QSM has a collection of stunning new themes, but for now, let's go with the default theme and then click on Next. The third step is on the quiz setting. We get an option to set up our quiz initially. Let's set a name for the quiz and select what kind of form we are using. You could fix a set time limit as well to your quizzes. You could also select if you want only logged in users to be able to fill the form. The second to the last step is the add-on section, where we get to see the most used or popular add-ons of QSM. You could select any add-ons as per your requirements to add more features to your forms, quizzes, and surveys. Currently, we don't need any add-ons, so let's just click on Create Quiz. And the last step. Here comes the Questions tab, where we can enter our questions for the vampire quiz. Let's enter the questions for our quiz. Let's start with the first one to find out whether the user has the vampire symptoms or not. You can use a description box to write some additional information if required. After entering the question, on the right-hand side, you can choose a type of question and answer from the drop-down. I am taking the multiple choice type question here and writing choices and giving them points also to evaluate the quiz. And if you want, you can mark the question as required, so this question cannot be skipped, and then click on Save Question. Since the first question is saved, let's create the second page to write our questions. For this question, we will be selecting the multiple choice type question and writing answer choices with respective points. Once you've filled in the questions, and then click on Save Question. Now, let's create a third page question with an image in the description box and repeat the process as previously. Save the question. Again, let's create the fourth question on the next page. Save the question. Now all the questions are saved. Let's set up a contact field to collect the name of the applicants. Click on Add New Field, and let's select the field type and label it as Name. Now, since our question for the quiz is set and the contact field is configured to collect the user details, let's set our final result page for the quiz as per the score. So, go to the Result Pages tab. Here, you can set as conditions as per you when this page should be shown. Now we have to design the final result page that we have to show people. So, enter the message and take different variables from these templates if you want. As this is a vampire quiz based on scores, we don't need to show the question answer on the result page. I am creating the second result page with another condition for your reference. And lastly, save the result pages here. Now let's preview our I Am a Vampire quiz by clicking on the preview icon at the top right corner of the page. As you can see, we have created the quiz successfully with all the questions and it's working just fine. Also, you can see the timer running at the bottom most right of the page. That's all for this video. Stay tuned for new tutorials. Until next time, bye-bye and stay safe.